Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Barclays Smart Investor. Barclays Smart Investor is a self-directed investment platform that allows you to manage your investments online. To get started, you will need to open a Barclays Smart Investor account, which you can do online or by phone. Once your account is open, you can log into the platform and start exploring the various features. The first step is to set up your investment portfolio by choosing the types of investments you want to hold. Barclays Smart Investor offers a range of investment options, including stocks and shares, bonds, and funds. To start investing, you will need to deposit money into your account. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by setting up a direct debit. Once you have money in your account, you can start buying and selling investments. The platform provides a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. You can view real-time market data and news, as well as research and analysis from expert providers. You can also set up a watch list to track the performance of your investments and receive alerts when there are changes in the market. One of the key features of Barclays Smart Investor is the ability to set up a regular investment plan. This allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, which can help you to spread the risk of investing in the stock market. To use the regular investment plan feature, you will need to choose the investment you want to buy and the amount you want to invest. You can then set up a direct debit to transfer the funds from your bank account to your Barclays Smart Investor account. Barclays Smart Investor also provides a range of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. The platform includes a range of guides and tutorials, as well as a glossary of investment terms. In terms of costs, Barclays Smart Investor charges a flat fee of 0.2% per year, plus a dealing charge of £3 per trade for online trades. There are no charges for buying or selling funds. Overall, Barclays Smart Investor is a user-friendly and cost-effective way to manage your investments online. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with investing and take control of your financial future. Remember to always do your own research and consider seeking professional advice before making any investment decisions.